ॐ हानिलाग्न्यब्धरित्र्यन्तं स्रक्फणीवोद्गतं यतः ध्वान्तच्छिदे नमस्तस्मै हरये बुद्धिसाक्षिणे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। नैष्कर्म्य सिद्धि श्लोक नंबर 68 इंट्रोडक्शन इन टीका पेज नंबर 85। ननु अनात्मैव संसरति न आत्मा। आत्मा तो कूटस्थ विज्ञान धातु समस्त बुद्धिवृत्ति साक्षी सकल संसार धर्मातीत इति सांख्य सिद्धांतोयम भवता सिद्धांतत्वेन स्वीकृत इत्याशंक्य ततो वैषम्यम दर्शयितुम आह मैवमिति। पूर्व पक्षी सेइंग अनात्मा alone has samsara, anatma eva samsarati na atma, because it was explained in the earlier shloka that atma doesn't have kartrutva. Atma is prakashak or prakashaka. The vastu padartha anatma is prakashya. Atma doesn't do any kriya. Kriya is only in anatma. In atma, the kriya is only upacharat. So that was said. So now, Purvapakshi says, if anatma alone has samsaranam, atma doesn't have samsaranam. And atma is kutastha vijnana swarupa, kutastha vijnana dhatuhu, samasta buddhi vritti sakshi. Atma is the sakshi of all buddhi vrittis. But when Purvapakshi is saying samasta buddhi vritti sakshi, means you should understand Purvapakshi is referring to all buddhi vrittis of one antakarana. This, because this is Purvapaksha and this is Sankhya Siddhanta. Sakala samsara dharmatita, that Sakshi doesn't have any samsara dharma. Iti Sankhya Siddhantoyam bhavata Siddhantatvena svikrita. By you, this Siddhanta is svikrita as Sankhya Siddhanta. This is what Sankhyans say. This is not Vedanta Mata. That is what he says. Iti ashankya, Siddhanti now shows tato vaishamyam, that there is a bheda. You are understanding that we are Sankhya Siddhanta is not correct. Maivam. In Mulam, Maivam Shankishtaha, Sankhya Radhantoyam iti. Maivam Shankishtaha. Shankishtaha, how is this? What is the rupa here? Yes. All Vyakarana Panditaha, they are looking, but they are not finding anything. Ma Shankishtaha. Mang Yoge. What is the lakara there?
Lung lakara.
So one thing is done. There it is lung lakara. Lung lakara is there and the akara is not given. Akara disappears by which sutra?
Mangi lung.
So, Mangi lung will say when mang is there, only lung lakar will come. Akara lopa namang yoge. Namang yoge sutra will remove akara. Okay, so now you have lung lakara. Lung lakara, which vachana, which purush?
Madhyama purusha ekavachana.
Madhyama purusha ekavachana. Because when you know it is ashankishthaha, then it is easy to look for. Lung lakar, slow, chili lungi, chile he sich. Dhatu is shank dhatu. Shank dhatu means ashankane. I think that is the rupa. Shank, chli, द्वितीया एक वचन, मध्यम पुरुष एक वचन, it will be thas. And chle he sich, thas will remain. So it will become thaha, shtunashtuhu, tha will become tha. Sakar will become shakara. And then shank is there, ardha dhatu kasya idvala dehe, will get ikara. In this way, shankishtha will come and akar will come by
Lung lang lung shvarudattaha.
lung lang lung shraddhattah. Akar will come, but namang yoge will remove it.
Meaning
But
shankayam Swamiji.
shankayam. Shankayam. Shankishtha. Maiva shankishtha. Siddhanta is saying, don't have this doubt that this is Sankhya Siddhanta. Radhanta means Siddhanta. Why this is not Sankhya Siddhanta? Because in Sankhya Siddhanta, there is a Bheda. Sankhya Mata and Vedanta Mata, what are the Bhedas?
Multiple Purushas in Sankhya.
Prakriti and Purusha. So
And
they,
God is
Bhoktika is there in Purusha, in Sankhya Mata. Whereas in Advaita Mata, we do not consider Atma as Karta Bhokta.
who was answering first? Let me hear that person. Who was earlier? What was said?
Swamiji, I mentioned that
Prakriti and Purusha.
Purusha and Prakriti Pradhana, they say it's real. In Vedanta, it is Mithya.
Satyam. According to Vedanta, that is Mithya. Prakriti Purusha Bheda, they say, and Purusha is Satyam, Pradhana is also Satyam. what are the other matam? Second person said
Karta Bhokta.
Atma is karta bhokta. Then any other?
Many Atmas.
Atmanah anekatvam. Those who know,
Maya,
they can use Sanskrit terms. Easy.
Maya has independent existence.
That is
Pradhan.
Pradhan.
Ishaha Anyat.
Ishvara is different from Jiva, according to them. Atma bhedo jagat satyam ishonya iti chetrayam tyajyate taistada sankhya yoga vedanta sammatihi. This is the shloka. Panchadashi chapter 6 to 28. Atma bhedo. They consider Atma as bhinna, means many. Jagat as satyam. Jagat satyam means pradhanam is satyam, according to them. Maya is satyam. And Ishaha anyaha. Ishvara is different from Jiva. If they give up these three, Sankhya and Yoga Mata, if they give up these three erroneous ideas in their darshana, then Sankhya, Yoga and Vedanta will become one. This is a nice way of putting how they are different. Atma Bhedo 1, Jagat Satyam 2, Isho Anya 3. Bas. In brief, you can tell. And this is the importance when you study shlokas and you remember them. Key shlokas. Nobody expects that you remember all Panchadashi. Tika. Yatha Vishuddha Akashe Sahasaiva Brahmandalam Bhutva Viliyate Tadva Atmani Akhilam Jagat Yatha Vishuddha Akashe Sahasaiva Brahmandalam Bhutva Viliyate Tadva Atmani Akhilam Jagat. Yatha, this is Siddhanti Shloka, Vishuddha Akashe Sahasaiva Abhramandalam Bhutva Viliyate Tadvad Iha Atmani Akhilam Jagat Viliyate. Just as in the Akasha, suddenly some clouds come and they form like a celestial city, Gandharva Nagaram. Akasha is pure. Suddenly something appears. And then it disappears also, Viliyate. Bhutva Bhutva Praliyate, Bhagavan says in Bhagavad Gita. Here it is given Bhutva Viliyate. Tadvat, in the same way. Atmani Akhilam Jagat. Iha Atmani Akhilam Jagat. In this Atma, Jagat Viliyate. Or Iha you can take it as Darshtanta. Tadvat, Darshtante, or Siddhanta Mate. So according to Siddhanta, Jagat gets dissolved in Atma. According to Sankhya Mata, Jagat doesn't get dissolved in Atma. Jagat remains, and at the most its dissolution is in Pradhanam. So this is the Bheda. In Vedanta, Jagat is Mithya in Atma. In Sankhya, Jagat is Parinama of Pradhana. Tika. So Sankhya and Yoga Darshan, they are different. Asya Dvaitendra Jalasya Atma Jnana Nirvrittatvad Atma Matram Jagat iti Vedanta Siddhanta. Asya like a magic show of Dvaita. Atma Jnana Nirvrittatvat. Atma Jnana Nirvrittatvat. How will you do Samasa Vigraha?
Atmanah Ajnanah, Atma Ajnanah,
Ajnanam, Napunsakli.
Atma
Atmanah Ajnanam. Then?
Tasya Nivritti. Atma Jnana
No, what is the Shabda? It is not Nivritta.
Nivritta.
No, it is not. Nirvritta. So, not Tasya Nivritta. Atma Ajnana Nirvritta. Dvaitendra Jala is Atma Ajnana Nirvritta. Nirvritta means Siddha. Atmanah Ajnanat Siddha. Atma Ajnana, because of Atma Ajnana, Dvaitendra Jala has Satyatva. Atma Jnana Nirvrittatvat. Atma Matram Jagat. And therefore, the Drashtanta will be Rajju Ajnanat Sarpa Bhasate. Sarpasya Siddhi. So Sarpah kaha Rajju Matram. It is Rajju only, because Rajju Ajnanat Sarpo Bhasate. Atmanah Ajnanat Dvaitendra Jalam Bhasate. Jagat Bhasate. Iti Vedanta Siddhanta. So Jagat is nothing but Atma. Nachaivam abhyupagamyate sankhyahi anyadeva kinchid achetanam trigunam pradhanam tadeva jagatah karanam taccha swatantram prapanchascha paramarthika iti sankhya abhyupagamat tato mahad asti vaishamyam ityarthah. Sankhyahi anyadeva kinchid abhyupagamyate. Sankhyas think differently. Abhyupagamyate svikriyate. What? Kinchid achetanam trigunam pradhanam. Some jadavastu which is trigunatmaka called pradhanam. That is jagat karanam according to Sankhya. Tacha swatantram. It is independent. Means it has swatantra satta. Prapanchascha paramarthika. And prapancha is paramarthika for them. In other words, if I think Jagat is Satyam, then I am Sankhyan. I am not Vedanti. If I think Atmas are many, then I am Sankhya Darshana. If I think Ishvara is Anya, I am Anya. Then I am in Sankhya Sthiti. I am not Vedanti. And if I think I am Deha, then I am
Charvaka.
So, no matter what I study or no matter what I teach, it doesn't matter. Dehatma Bhava is there, Dehatma Buddhi is very strong. Consider that as Satyam. Then, or if my thinking is Yavat Jivet, Sukham Jivet, Krinam Kritva, Gritam Pibet, then I am Charvaka only. So, Mahad Asti Vaishamyam. Sankhya Darshanat Mahad Asti. Tataha means from that Sankhya Darshan, there is big difference here. When I have Sarvatma Buddhi, and Sarvatma Buddhi without any conflict in my mind, without any struggle, Sahaja, spontaneously. That Sarvatma Buddhi is a sign of वेदांत ज्ञानी, जीवन मुक्त. If it is not happening, if there is virodha inside, then there is a long way to go. भूत्वा विलीयते इति उक्तत्वात् प्राक् विलयाद् आत्म संस्पर्शो अभ्युपगम्यत इति शंकां परिहर्तुम् आह. भूत्वा विलीयते you said, so इति उक्तत्वात् प्राक् विलयात्, before the dissolution, Atma is there, Jagat is there. Atma will get associated with Jagat. Atma samsparsha will be there. Atma samsparsho abhyupagamyate. Svikriyate. And then you will have to accept that Atma is touched by Jagat. Iti shankam parihartum aha. So that shanka is eliminated. तस्माद् एष कूटस्थो न द्वैतम मनाक् अपि स्पृशति. तस्माद् एष कूटस्थो आत्मा, दिस एषः आत्मा, एष is अपरोक्ष. That's why एष शब्द is used. इदमस्तु सन्निकृष्टे. Then
समीपतरवर्ति चैतदो रूपम् अधसस्तु विप्रकृष्टः तत्
तदिति परोक्षे
विजानीयात्.
विजानीयात्.
And adasastu
विप्रकृष्टे.
adasastu viprakrishta. So this eshaha atma kutastha na dvaitam manak api sprushati. Not even a little it touches. What is the answer given by Gaudapadacharya ji to this Purva Paksha? Answer is already given in this line, in Tika as well as in this Moolam. Asparsha yogo vai nama durdarsha sarva yogipihi. Asparsha, there is no sparsha of Atma and Dvaitam. And yogi, this Sankhya and Yogamata, durdarsha. It is very difficult for them to even comprehend this. Kuto na sprushati iti ashankya shlokena hetum aha. Why Jagat doesn't touch Atma? So he gives through the shloka. Yataha, since shabdadyakara nirbhasaha क्षणप्रध्वंसी निर्दृशा नित्योक्रमदृगात्मैको व्याप्नोतीव धियो निशम्. शब्दाद्याकार निर्भासाः क्षणप्रध्वंसी निर्दृशा नित्योक्रमदृगात्मैको व्याप्नोतीव धियो निशम्. शब्दादि आकार निर्भासाः शरण प्रध्वंसिनीः धियः दृशा नित्य अक्रमदृक् आत्मा एको अनिशम व्याप्नोति इव. शब्दादि आकार निर्भासाः शब्द स्पर्श रूप रसगंध तदाकार निर्भासाः निर्भासाः सो शब्दादि आकारेण निर्भासन्ते इति शब्दादि आकार निर्भासाः मीन्स तत्तद विषयाकार वृत्ति शब्द स्पर्श रूप रसगंध विषयाकार वृत्तयः and they are परिणामी वृत्तिज आर अंतःकरण परिणाम परिणामित्वादेव ताः क्षण प्रध्वंसिनी अनित्याः they are क्षण प्रध्वंसी and anitya. So in the shloka is given क्षण प्रध्वंसिनी क्षण प्रध्वंसिनी. What is the rupa? Which vibhakti?
द्वितीया बहुवचनम.
Yes. What is the pratipadika?
क्षण प्रध्वंसिनी.
ह्रस्व और दीर्घ.
ह्रस्व.
वही ह्रस्व दीर्घ है. दीर्घ इकारांत शब्द. नदी संज्ञा. नदी नदी पद नदी शब्द हाउ विल इट डिक्लाइन? नदी नद्यौ
नद्यः नदीं नद्यौ नदीः.
दिस इज नदी. दृशा दृशा बाई चैतन्य. सो शब्दादि आकार निर्भासाः क्षण प्रध्वंसिनी ही आत्मा इज नित्यः एकः अक्रमदृक्. क्रमदृक् मीन्स दैट विच इज sequentially illumining. Krama means sequence. Akramadrik. So Atma is Nitya Akramadrik Ekaha. And Drisha क्षण प्रध्वंसिनी ही धियः अनिशम व्याप्नोति इव. So you will have to split it into two sentences. One sentence will be शब्दादि आकार निर्भासाः क्षण प्रध्वंसिनी ही धियः दृशा दृशा स्वरूप चैतन्येन आत्मना. and Atma's nature is separately given as Atma Nitya Eka etc. Why these Visheshanas are given Nityo, Akramadrik and Ekaha? This is a very beautiful concept, this and next shloka. What is the difference between Jiva and Kutastha Chaitanya or Chidabhasa and Kutastha Chaitanya? If a question comes, this is the beautiful answer. Chidabhasa also has the ability to know, ability to reveal objects. Atma also has the ability to reveal objects, but there is a bheda. Atma, what Atma does is, Atma illumines everything at once. Chidabhas illumines everything one at a time. Ghata jnanam, when it is there, pata jnanam will not be there. Means ghatakar vritti, then patakar vritti, then purushakar vritti, anya vritti, one vritti at a time. This is what antakaran can do. And it will have jnana. Atma is, this is called kramadrik, in sequence, illumining one at a time. Atma is akramadrik. There is no krama in there. So when I say, I am not Jiva, I am Brahma, means I am not kramadrik, I am akramadrik. I illumine the whole world. And what is that whole world? That next shloka will tell. Atita, anagata, ihatya. Whatever is of the past, whatever is of the future, and whatever is present, anywhere, it will illumine. Chidabhasa vritti will illumine only those which are in front. In front means in front of that one sakshi. Whether it is through pratyaksha pramana, anumana pramana, upamana pramana, shabda pramana. But that has to be available to that one Chidabhasa. For Kutastha Atma, it illumines everything. I use the word Sakshi. Those who are studying Siddhanta Bindu, they will immediately understand. Sakshi refers to Chidabhasa or Kutastha.
Chidabhasa.
Chidabhasa.
According to Siddhanta Bindu, he has made it very clear that Sakshi Shabda is used for Chidabhasa. If it is used for Atma, it is a Gauna Prayoga. It is not Mukhya. Why? Because Sakshi is a Apekshika. It's a relative term. With respect to Sakshya, you have to use the word Sakshi. So that is not an absolute term for Atma. Atma is Nitya. Chidabhasa is Anitya. Atma is Akramadrik. Chidabhasa is Kramadrik. Atma is Ekaha. Chidabhasa Ananta. This Atma Anisham. Anisham means eternally. Nityam. Dhiyo Vyapnoti. It as if even. Vyapnoti iva, as if it pervades the intellect. For chintanam, for meditation, if somebody wants to do dhyanam, this is a beautiful idea. If I feel I have knowledge of A, B, C, etc., it is kramadrik only. And I will get caught up in this. Remaining there, I say, I am Brahman, I am Brahman. Means I have not understood what is the nature of Brahman. We don't have to remain within that. That erroneous understanding has to go. Like the lamp in a room will illumine objects around that room. But the sun will illumine all the three worlds together. This is the difference between Atma and Chidabhasa. Or you say Atma and Pramata. Instead of using Chidabhasa, you can use the word Pramata. And Pramata is samsari because of identification with Buddhi. Buddhi has parinama. Tika, let us see. Evam vishishta buddhi vrittihi, Ditya Bahuvachanam, Nityo Akramadrik Paramatma Eka Eva. दृशा मीन्स स्वरूप चैतन्येन व्याप्नोति इव. So Paramatma is Ekaya Drik. Then Drisha is its Tritiya. Drisha Swarupa Chaitanyena Vyapnoti. Means one Atma with its Chaitanya Swarupa pervades and illumines all Buddhi Vrittis. As if, Iva, Yasmat, Tasmad Ayam Atma Samasta Dvaita Samsparsha Rahita Ityartha. This Atma is Samsparsha Rahita, Asparsha Yoga Atma is. Ityartha. More about it is given. We'll see in the following session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.